listening to Weather Radio Canada's weekly test of your alert-equipped weather radio, broadcast every Wednesday near noon. Ceci est un message test émis tous les mercredis midi sur Radio Météo Canada. Ce message est destiné à tester les fonctions d'activation d'alarme et d'affichage des nouveaux récepteurs Radio Météo.
There are no warnings or watches in effect.
Il n'y a aucun avertissement, veille ou avis météorologique en ce moment.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 11 a.m. Wednesday, June 15th for today and Thursday. City of Toronto for today, sunny, high 27, UV index 9 or very high. For tonight, clear, increasing cloudiness near midnight, low 16. For Thursday, cloudy, 60% chance of showers in the afternoon and evening, high 20. City of Hamilton, for today, sunny, high 25, UV index 9 or very high. For tonight, increasing cloudiness this evening, low 17. For Thursday, cloudy, showers beginning in the morning and ending early in the evening. Wind southeast 20 kilometers per hour, becoming light in the afternoon, high 20. Extended forecast, Friday, cloudy with 30% chance of showers, low 15, high 22. For Saturday, sunny, low 16, high 24. For Sunday, sunny, low 14, high 25. For Monday, a mix of sun and cloud, low 16, high 26. For Tuesday, cloudy with 60% chance of showers, low 18, high 25. Normals for the period, low 14, high 24. The Environment Canada forecast issued at 11 a.m. Wednesday, June 15th for today and Thursday. Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon for today, sunny, high 27, UV index 9 or very high. For tonight, clear, increasing cloudiness near midnight, low 15. For Thursday, cloudy, 60% chance of showers in the afternoon and evening. Wind becoming east 20 kilometers per hour in the evening, high 20. Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County, today, sunny, high 26, UV index 9 or very high. For tonight, clear, increasing cloudiness near midnight, low 12. For Thursday, cloudy, 60% chance of showers late in the afternoon and in the evening. Wind becoming south 20 kilometers per hour in the afternoon, high 22. Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, today, sunny, high 28, UV index 9 or very high. For tonight, clear, increasing cloudiness overnight, low 14. For Thursday, cloudy, 60% chance of showers late in the afternoon and in the evening, high 21. Weather conditions at 11 a.m. Toronto, Pearson International Airport, sunny, temperature 24, relative humidity 48%, wind west-southwest 4 kilometers per hour, barometric pressure 101.53 kilopascals and falling. Toronto, downtown 24. Toronto City Centre Airport, 17, wind southwest 9 kilometers per hour. Markham, Buttonville, 25, wind north 11 kilometers per hour. Hamilton, 22, wind west-southwest 9 kilometers per hour. St. Catharines, 23,